rock you. Welcome back. Today I'm in Shenzhen at the China International Cultural Industries Fair. And this is a fair that blends culture with technology. And we're going to go inside and check out what we can find. Whoa, check out all the exhibitors. There's so many. There's like 8 halls full of exhibitors. Can't wait to see what's there. That is so realistic. I need to touch it to see if it's real or not. Wow, it's not real. Well, that's really cool. It's like the latest technology with one of the oldest instruments in China. Amazing. Wow, that's so cool. It's a virtual drumstick and he's even got a virtual foot pedal. That is so cool. We will rock you. Oh, here's Tencent. Let's go and check it out. So what this is doing, it's taken a picture of me and it's now creating, using AI, a cartoon image of me. Oh man, that's kind of cool. It's like a younger version of me. Look at that. I reckon that's pretty cool. So this allows you to draw things like very basic and then it will create an image from that drawing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a sun in the sky and then I'm going to put some mountains like this and then I'm going to put some trees. Now this should be some sort of forest with some mountains and the sun. So let's go. I'll press here. Let's see what it produces. And again, this is powered by Tencent's Hunyuan AI. It's set up to do a Van Gogh style, and I can actually now choose one. I'll choose this one, and I'll print it here. And I'm also going to show you how you can use Tencent's Hunyuan to generate 3D models that you can then print straight on your 3D printer. So this roll the dice is like generate a random image. So it's generated some funky backpack. But actually this is very limited because it's just a display at the exhibition, but I'm now going to show you the online one and we're going to create a model and we're going to 3D print it. Okay, so this is Tencent's Hunyuan 3D and it's a web application. It's their AI model that helps you to create 3D images, and there's two. There's Vincent 3D, which is from a text prompt, and there's Tusheng 3D, which is from an image. So first of all, let's do the from a text prompt. So the more descriptive you are, the better. So I'm going to put a large ginger cat with a bushy tail and big yellow eyes. And then you can choose here what style. So you've got general, cartoon, Chinese style, blue and white, porcelain, stone carving and cyberpunk. So I'm going to choose cartoon to start with, and then we can hit generate now. If you go to the website, you will need to use a translator to translate it into English because it's Chinese at the moment. But what's really cool, you get 20 credits a day, so you can produce 20 models per day for free, which is really generous. I think is really good. So each time you run it, it will render 4. What we've got here, this is without any texture, so it's adding the texture now. So you can see you got 4 different designs here. If you don't like any of them, you can regenerate them, but I kind of like in this one here. So let's have a closer look at this one, and then you can see here, and I think he's done a not too bad job of that. It's kind of interesting, but you can flip it around. This is what it'd look like if it was to be 3D printed. So this is the next one, and this is also quite a nice one here. It's got the bushy tail. It's kind of cool. So you can then export these into, you can actually choose many different formats. You've got GLB, OBJ, FBX, STL, so you can take it directly to a 3D printer. Let's do another one. A cute penguin with a bright yellow beak and big blue eyes. Generate that now. It just takes a couple of minutes to generate. So there you go, you've got your 4 penguins. It's pretty much taken our cue for Mosu. It's got blue eyes, it's got a bright yellow beak, and it's a cute penguin. This is, I think this one's my favourite, or maybe this one. I kind of like this one as well. Let's have a look at this one. And there we go. There we have our cute little penguin. And then that's if we want to 3D print it, so we could save that out as an STL file. So I'll choose STL and then download. And it's as easy as that. You've now got yourself an STL file that you can take that to the printer and print. It's as easy as that. It's absolutely fantastic, isn't it? So you can also use the two-chain model, which allows you to upload an image and generate a graphic from it. So let's do that. You can see it's uploading it, and then once it's uploaded, it identifies it, and you can say generate now, and it will go and start generating the image based on the graphic you uploaded. And it's created the image, it's now loading it in. It's done a fantastic job, you know, even the inside padding and everything. That's really kind of cool, considering we only gave it one view from the side of that shoe. It's done a really, really good job. Now let's have a look at using 3 images. You select this multi-view model here. You can see we've uploaded a front, a back and a side view. And then let's generate. So obviously I think the more images you give it, the more accurate it will be. And there you go. There's your little penguin. Cute, huh? Go up here. You've got a tab called Laboratory. And there's loads of cool things in here. You've got 3D animation generation, 3D texture generation, 3D mini game creation, SketchUp, so you can just put a sketch and create a thing, 3D character generation, I guess from a text one, and intelligent surface reduction. And then if you go here to assets, you can see all the things that you've generated. I was trying to play about with doing like a cartoony model figure of me here. It's fantastic, this AI from Tencent. They are really forward with it. That's all ready now to go. We can send it to the printer. So you can see our penguins printing now on the printer. I just want to say that this AI is just so cool. Just the things you can do, it's just mind-blowing. Like just even a year or 2 ago, I would have never believed this possible, but here we are. People like Tencent who are pushing the boundaries of AI forward with their Hunyuan model. It's very, very cool. So the print's finished, and this is what we've got. How cool is that? We're printing it in one colour because I haven't mastered multicolour printing yet with my printer, but hopefully the next time. But for this one, I'm going to add a bit of colour with some pens. So as you can see, I've now added some orange to his feet, his beak. I've given him some eyes. I'm not the most artistic of people, but as you can see, it adds a bit of character to him. So that's how it's done. So as you can see, Tencent are very heavily into AI. They have some fantastic models, but for now, from Shenzhen, take care.